Hi guys, for today's video, um, it's raining and I hope you won't hear it in the video because I'm using a headset. To be honest, when vlogging, I don't want to use a headset because you don't see my earrings. Oh my god, what's this? Anyway, so life update. This is psoriasis. Life update. I'm starting a new job in a new company tomorrow, and I feel very hopeful because I didn't expect that this company would offer me the job. It's a different industry. If I have mentioned in any of my previous videos, I have been working in the food manufacturing industry for 15 plus 2 plus years as of this moment. And I have worked in this company from 2007. This was my fifth company. I resigned in 2022 to take care of mama and also to pursue freelancing at that time. It was a very tough moment of my life, but that's another story. Maybe in the some other time I will share it somewhere here. But so I'm moving to a company. It's a small company. It's a security agency. It's not as big as the it's not as big as the food manufacturing company that I have worked with for a long time, but I want to try working in a different industry. And I'm in my 40s already, so moving job from one job to another may not sound like a normal woman in her 40s would do. I think in our culture here in the Philippines, it has been. They say that back in my at least in my generation, they say that you should have already stay have a stable job in a company that you would stay until you're 60 by the age 35. So, and I would also believe the same. But life doesn't really happen the way we want it, the way we planned it. And right now, I have found myself like exploring new job or transitioning to a different career, which I am targeting freelancing and to start with um, teaching ESL online. Since I think I have mentioned somewhere in my past video that I love English. When I was in college, I realized that I wanted to study English instead of accountancy. But for practical reasons, I had to finish accountancy. And just after I graduated, I have worked accounting jobs until today, until this new job that I'm. It's not that I hate accounting. In fact, I have learned to love this job, especially when I feel like this job contributes and helps people in the company and it helps the company. I think it's a very noble and good job as well because it helps businesses and businesses helps provide jobs for the people. But you I reached this stage in my life where I'm looking for more and I have searched for a lot of things that probably bigger than myself, than my life. And I realized I wanted a job, not as a job that would, of course, that would help me for my needs, and at the same time that would, help the people around me, the community, that would help create a positive impact in the lives of those that I work with and maybe that I work for. So I'm feeling how I'm feeling. I'm feeling both terrified and hopeful and excited, a little bit of excitement at the same time because I am, I walked a different path. Like the people my age are probably established in their careers already, and here I am. I'm like starting all over again, and I'm beginning again. And if you have happened to watch all my past videos, they sound a little bit emotional and dramatic. But I guess this stage happened to a lot of people also. Maybe you will reach a point in your life where you started to question everything. If I have made the right decision, if this career, what if I did what my heart truly wanted? Those things. I'm sure every one of us go through that. I mean, that's probably part of our lives as human beings because we were conditioned that we should have careers for us to be successful. It was we were led to believe that we should be successful. And right now, I think I looked at success in a different way. To me, success is not climbing the corporate ladder anymore. In fact, I don't want to work a job anymore, like the corporate job. I just wanted to stay at home most of the time, spend time with my dogs, and watch the sunset in the afternoons or learn to cook healthy food, things like that. Mm. So I guess I'll be back for another to update you on this journey. And I also, besides moving to a new job, I also got an offer for a part-time job, which maybe I won't share right now, maybe later, to not to jinx it. Jinx, Jinx, jinx. So maybe later I'll share everything later. But for now, I wish myself luck and I pray and I tell God that I surrender everything, that whatever I do, whatever God sent my way is what is it really, the why I'm here, why I was born on this planet, why I have a life. Because I'm just done chasing things. I will work on these jobs and I will try my best to do good. Um, um, I will like live life one day at a time. I will work on achieving or giving what is expected of me. I will try to do my best to help people, like be kind every day to anyone. Try not to harm people. Just live a good life until God decides to take me away from this planet. I mean, and my worst fears have already happened. My worst fears have already happened. So, I mean, what's there to be afraid? I'm only afraid about if any of my loved ones like go through pain or challenge again. But in general, I'm okay with my life. Yes, that's it for today's video. Can you hear me? Did you hear the ambon? See you in my next vlog.